Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can turn off active status from Instagram. So without wasting time, let's start video. Because sometimes we want to hide our active status from friends. So in this video, I will show you how you can hide your active status from anyone. So let's start video. Firstly, open the Play Store and make sure your Instagram should be updated. After updating, open it and you will see profile icon at the bottom. Click on it. After that, you will see three line on top right. Click on it and then click on setting. After that, you will see privacy option. Click on it and then click on activity status. And here you will see my activity status is on. If I want to turn it off, then click on it. And here you will see my activity status is off. So in this way you can turn off your activity status on Instagram. So in this way you can hide your activity status from anyone. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.